Welcome back, everybody. I've been meaning to do a jalapeno popper type of video for a long time. I've made a lot of poppers in my day, but I've taken some time off. Yesterday I was at the grocery store and check this out. These things are gigantic. Let's make sausage stuffed fiesta poppers. Let's give it a try. Everybody makes jalapeno poppers. The griddle top is not the best medium for making them. The bottom line is you need that bacon to adhere, to conform to the outside of the pepper. I've always liked to make my poppers inside a smoker or an oven. But with the Blackstone air fryer, now we have the absolutely perfect way to make a popper. I'm not even going to tell you where to set your temperature knobs because I don't know what kind of griddle you have. You might have the 1-burner 17-inch, a 2-burner 22-inch. You might have a 36-inch air fryer combo like I have here with 4 burners. You might have a 4-burner 36-inch Pro Series. Those griddles, these ones right here, have built-in heat baffles. So despite the BTU rating, they actually produce even more heat. So I'm on low right now. I might even go up to medium, but that could be the equivalent of high on your griddle. Starting out with a mixture of olive and canola oil. You could use all olive, you could use all canola, you could use avocado, use the oil that you prefer. The griddle doesn't care, but I like to wipe it in all the way, completely on all sides of the griddle before we start cooking. You obviously want to be careful not to burn your fingertips. I've slipped a few times and I've done it. Starting out with garlic paste. I don't like the jarred garlic paste, I like fresh, and you buy this stuff in the refrigerated produce section of a grocery store. It's as close as I can find to fresh garlic. Followed by diced onion. These are yellow onions. If I had my druthers, I would probably be using red because I love the color of red. So garlic and onion. Just gonna get a light saute going on the onions and garlic. And immediately I'm gonna drop down some ground meat, okay? This happens to be ground elk sausage that we process our own. I think it was Nate do a video once, and he put mayonnaise in his recipe, and somebody said, "You had me until mayonnaise." You know, I did a recipe last week, and somebody literally said, "You had me until Spam." So, if you want to become a good cook, you want to veer from the recipe. So if you're watching this and you don't like onion, you know, like Todd does, just don't use the onion. And if you don't like certain kind of sausage, don't use a certain kind of sausage. So this happens to be a wild game sausage, a elk sausage. If I didn't have that, I'd use a Jimmy Dean sausage, Bob Evans sausage. You can use ground turkey. You can use whatever you want to use. I'm just going to put a little bit of salt on this sausage because we're going to season things up later. So the jalapenos, we're going to cut the tops off of these like so. We're going to slice them lengthwise. Going to grab a spoon and we're just going to scoop out the little seeds and the membranes. That sausage is looking good. I don't want to overcook this, so I think we're going to go ahead and pull it right now. There we go. Pull that sausage aside and put it in a bowl to cool off while we're prepping our fiesta popper filling. Starting out with a couple of small bricks of cream cheese. I like to mix some type of shredded cheese with those. Since we're doing the fiesta theme today, I just picked up some pepper jack, Monterey Jack with jalapeno peppers. Want to go 50 to 75% cream cheese with, 50 to 25, depending on what you use, percent shredded cheese. And you know me, we have to have cilantro. Just wash this off inside. Just gonna chop up a little bit. Of course, now if you're one of those people that say you had me until cilantro, I don't like it, don't use the cilantro then. In with the cilantro. Blackstone's tequila lime seasoning. And now just get in there and mix up that gooey, sticky filling. I just fill up the pepper like so. Next we have some bacon. This happens to be a thinner sliced bacon. I've done this with thin and I've done this with thick bacon. It probably works out a little bit better with thin bacon. If you have enough grease in your sausage and oil in your cheese, you should notice that the bacon sort of sticks from the get-go. Let's pull out my air fryer baskets. I always go in with the non-stick griddle spray, Pam, parchment paper, or something to make cleaning easier. And we'll just place these down inside like so. Depending on the size of your jalapeno, you'll have to figure out how many each drawer will hold. These are massive, absolutely the largest I have ever seen. Another hit of the non-stick griddle spray because it'll help to crisp things up, and another sprinkle of the tequila lime, and this is going to be magic on top. And into the air fryer. I'm currently preheated on low. I'm probably going to turn that to medium, and we're just going to watch. We'll check every few minutes. About 10 minutes in, let's take a look at the poppers. They're looking great, and I can see the bacon isn't burning, so I'm going to turn the air fryer burner up to high. Looking at my timer, the poppers have been in the air fryer approximately 20 minutes in total. Take a look at that. So air fryer off, let's plate them up. Let's give it a try. Perfect. You know, the thing about jalapeno is it is really hard to eat an entire raw jalapeno because they are spicy. But when you cook them, it breaks down a little bit and a lot of the heat goes away. Look at that. The bacon, perfectly adheres, conforms to the pepper, courtesy of the air fryer. The tequila lime is great in there. You know, I've done these a lot of the traditional ways, salt, pepper, garlic. I've done a lot of barbecue versions where you kind of finish it off with the glazed barbecue sauce. Tequila lime and the cilantro, love it. Totally new direction. So thanks for watching, everybody. These are delicious. Take your poppers to the next level. Don't just use cream cheese. Add some sausage, put some garlic, put some cilantro in there, and kick it up. Put a nice spice on top. If you don't want to do this route, maybe do that barbecue route that I talked about earlier. But either way, these are incredible. Check us out at blackstoneproducts.com. We got a whole new line of cool hats like this one. Also, check out our brand new Teespring site. So go out to teespring.com, type in Blackstone Products. We have a huge line of limited edition shirts from our graphic designers. So until next time, everybody, this is Todd here in Monument, Colorado. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass these sausage stuffed Fiesta poppers.